CEBUCHON from a Filipina here in Scottsdale. So they want me to try and see it for myself kung gaano kasarap yung CEBUCHON nila. And it's homemade.
Yan, sila at dala-dala na nila ang CEBUCHON. That's Joanna. Igaw. Hi! Ano galing patong Philippines?
Nadala ng mom ko yan.
Oh, wow! Hi!
Hello.
Ano pangalan niya? Ay, hello baby here. Ano pangalan niya?
Prince.
Prince! Hi,
Yung
Prince!
dalawang baby ko. Ito, baby.
Hi! How are you? Ang pogi naman. Say hi naman!
Everyone.
So, I have a CEBUCHON. Sige nga, angat na para makita natin. Tapos mamaya ako na siya titikman.
Ayan.
Oh my God! Kasi ba natin alam kung magkano yung presyo?
For this size, I think
Uh-huh.
this is 5 pounds. This is 65.
65. Oh
Yes.
my God, ang bango. Grabe!
Sabi nga, gusto niya nang kainin.
Gusto mo na kainin. Marunong ka mag-Tagalog. Ay, ang galing naman. Oh, so Joanna just came from the Philippines a year ago and they want to start the CEBUCHON business here, and you know the growing population of Filipino Americans here in Arizona. I think it's a great idea. Laging nauubusan yung mga umu-order ng lechon. So, tapos homemade, 'di ba? And sinong gumagawa?
Yung husband.
Bakit siya marunong
He's
mag-CEBUCHON?
from Cebu talaga and he loves to cook. So,
Ano he loves what? Oh, he loves to cook. So are you only gonna be selling CEBUCHON for now or?
now, but he also do on weekends on his off. He does your request.
Oh, okay. Well, nice meeting you, Prince. What's your favorite dish? What's your name again? Ano no? Rino? Ah.
That's his favorite dish.
Oh, besides the CEBUCHON, what else? Adobo talaga. Naku, Pilipino. O siya, maraming salamat. Happy Saturday.
Grabe. Dali-dali talaga ang aking pagmamaneho para lang matikman ko yung CEBUCHON na yan. You know that feeling? Yung hindi ka pa nag-almusal, tapos dala-dala mo yung pagkain, tapos naaamoy mo siya. Oh my God, rumble-rumble na yung tiyan ko. Talagang super excited to try the CEBUCHON. Oh my God. Ang bango niya, ibang level. Sobrang bango. In fairness. Nasasabi po ko na totoo. Ayan, tapos na ako. I'm home. My God. Oh my God, I have the CEBUCHON. Sobrang bango. Transfer ko na ang CEBUCHON. So this is... Ayan, ako mukhang malutong. Bago makakain, to do a product review, parang ito-torture mo muna yung sarili mo na titingnan mo yung kakainin mo, tapos i-research mo yung history niya bago mo siya kainin. Torture na, naaamoy mo lang yung pagkain. Eh, hindi pa kami nag-aalmusal. So, talagang, just to do this, thank you so much again to the Eagle family from Scottsdale, Arizona for letting us try their CEBUCHON. And again, Mr. Eagle is from Cebu. And they're about to start their business and they want us to try this and see for ourselves kung gaano siya kasarap. Anyway, ililipat namin itong CEBUCHON sa chopping board para diretso na. Tada! Ito niya! So, kailangan the CEBUCHON, which is the slab of the pork belly, slow roasted in the oven. So, parang variation siya ng lechon. So, lechon, of course, we got from the Spaniards because we were under Spain colonization for 300 years. So, ito talaga ay food nila. So, naglalechon din po ang mga taga-Spain, Cuba, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and other Spanish-speaking Latin American countries. So, they have also lechon. But I don't think they have CEBUCHON kasi wala naman silang Cebu. Diba? And according to Anthony Bourdain, who's a very famous celebrity chef ng CNN, parts unknown, he's been to Cebu and he said the best pigs are found in Cebu. So, kaya siguro, CEBUCHON. Meron ako lang nagdagdag nun na CEBUCHON. Yung stuffing, hindi ko pa na-research yung stuffing. Ano bang meron dito sa loob? Ma-figure out ko ba? Parang may tanglad. Lemongrass or tanglad. And then I tried to research CEBUCHON. It's not in Wikipedia. It's only lechon. This is about 5 pounds and it costs $65. And according to Halo Halo Kitchen, pareho na halos yung presyo nila. Actually, it's the same. It's $13 per pound. And the whole lechon is $320. Okay? So, of course, nung bata pa ako, sabi ng mami ko, kaya daw ako madaldal kasi pinakain ako ng lechon ng baboy. Narinig mo na ba yon? Okay, so, ngayon alam mo na ang batang madaldal daw nung maliit ay napakain ng private parts ng lechon. Parts are known. Well, it's known now. So, if you want your kids to be madaldal like me, just give them that part. Parang totoo. Anyway, Felicia, I'm really sorry. You've met Felicia, Han. Yung pig ni Jack, naalala ko siya bigla. Love ko pa naman ang mga pig. Siya yan? Ano ba? Hindi, no? Anyway, so ayan na. So, it has to be crispy skin and moist meat inside. So, yan. At saka, syempre, yung stuffing niya. I cannot figure it out. And again, there's really not much research out there for the CEBUCHON. So, nag-google lang ako. Wala akong nakita na CEBUCHON history. And it's not even in Wikipedia. So, we need to promote it so it gets to Wikipedia. So, now, ready na akong mag-chop-chop. Ano bang harapan? Doesn't matter. Okay. So, eto, binigay ko na asawa ko. Eto, kanina ang kutsilyo ko. Bopos. And then, nagpa-product review ng Ready? Roll your R. Felicia, I'm so sorry. Oh my God! Lalampa-lampa. And help. Oh my God. Ito lang gusto ko. Naku, nakalimutan nila yung sauce.
Yung sauce tayo.
Wow! It is super moist. Basta mataba. Oh wow, tama na. Ano ba yung nandoon? Kantin yun din. Yung mga to? Ano ba yan? Wow! Oh my God. Han, super lutong. So, kung naka-keto diet kayo, hindi pwede sa inyo to. Keto-friendly food. Paparinig ko sa inyo kung gaano siya kalutong. Pero hindi nyo maaamoy. Sobrang bango niya po. Sobra. Ito na. Pakinggan nyo kung gaano siya kalutong. Narinig kaya nyo? Wow! Siyempre, kailangan may
Salsa ni Mang Tomas.
salsa ni Mang Tomas. Pero alam mo, Han, kahit wala ng sauce, wala ng salsa, grabe.
Salsa.
Titikman mo. Tikman mo na, syempre. Ako po yan, ngumunguya. Sarap.
Alright, have a lot to do.
To try naman the meat. So, it should be moist daw. So, if it's a good CEBUCHON, it should be moist. So, to try ko without the balat. But we have, oh my God, ang taba niya! Dun ako sa medyo. I'm gonna eat it without the sauce para hindi mamask yung lasa niya. So then I know how truly tasty the food is. So ayun, may stuffing talaga siya, no? So I have to find out the stuffings in a few. Definitely, my garlic. I love it.
Oh wow! This the entire time? What?
Super yummy. Love it. Parang ano, okay lang sa akin na walang sauce kasi nga sobrang malasa siya. My third balat. Yummy. You like it, Han?
Moist, very moist.
Product reviewer ka rin ba, Han?
The product eater. No, hindi ko consume ng product.
Don't touch. Kung ba nag-tumaha?
Oh, meron din siya?
So there's the slab of the pork belly.
I saw the...
Ayan na lang po ang natira. Parang we ate like 3 pounds nung slab nitong pork belly na to. Rolled pork belly. So, I look at the thing is made of onion or shallots, garlic, lemongrass. Yung pala yung nagbibigay ng aroma and yung smell na super mabango is from, of course, the tanglad or the lemongrass. Then you have your garlic, salt, and pepper. So I think I got all the ingredients without even really looking like I guessed it earlier on. So yay! Papasa na pala ako. So we had another slice. So Jamal said you prefer actually the cebuchon over lechon.
The whole lechon?
The whole lechon.
I'd rather have this.
This one. Because I guess it's smaller and it's tastier. Because it's smaller, so the flavor gets diffused more sa laman, sa meat.
And it's it's the part that I like about the lechon. I don't like the whole lechon, right? So you just choose the part you like and then you cook it. And then it's good.
Galing talaga ng Han ko. You always make sense. Galing. Mas matalino kasi siya sa akin. And Jacob also is the same way. Right?
I never liked lechon before. So
And
I prefer this.
you
more
prefer it. Wow. And that's like his honest answer to opinion. Thank you, Jacob. That's very helpful. So and I know you really don't care so much about flavor. Like, is it too much garlic taste? Doesn't bother you? You really like it?
Yeah, I really
Yeah?
like it.
Okay, not too strong.
No.
Awesome. Well, thank you. There you have it. That concludes our CEBUCHON product review. Now, I am opening packages from friends. This one came from California. And ow! OMG! Yay! Woo! Super nice! Thank you, Ate Donna. Ate Donna Chen from California. Thank you so much. I love my Louis Vuitton face mask.
And this one is from Miss Cynthia Ariate. She's real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and she sent me a couple of books. She does WFG as well. World Financial. Please read what you like. You'll definitely like what you read. It will save your future. Cynthia Ariate. Oh, she's an educator now. I love it. And I guess we can say she's a coach for us to build a better future for ourselves, and that is to save. It's not how much you make, but how much you keep. A wise what? What's that saying? A wise old man told me that long time ago. And of course, I did not listen. Side comment na naman tong asawa ko. Sabi ko, a wise old man told me that before. It's like it's not how much you make, but how much you keep. So, I don't have anything to keep. And he said, I know, right? So, basic principles of building a financial foundation, saving your future. Gotta start early. Bakit dalawa? Finance 101 or Finance for Dummies. Bakit siya dalawa? WFG is World Finance Group. I have a lot of friends who are doing this WFG. So they help you a lot. So find one close to you and sign up. Thank you, Cynthia Ariate. And Rudy is a CPA based in Tucson, Arizona. And these are my super cool masks from Ate Donna Chen from California. Ooh. Gusto ko. Sobrang busy ng wow. I love. Thank you. Try natin yung black. Black. Sakto, meron akong ganitong bag. I love this one. There's my unboxing for today, August 29. Very nice. I-review ko po itong CEBUCHON na matuwalya pa kami doon. Okay lang. It's a little expensive, of course, because we don't eat this every day. That's why it's expensive. And although it's keto-friendly diet, of course, it's not healthy rin na kakainin mo to every day. Because it has a lot of fats. So, yung cholesterol, di ba? But, for special occasions like for birthday parties, fiestas, Pasko, ito po ang mga hinahanda namin. And it's a tradition in the Philippines. CEBUCHON. Our product review for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with Fleur. See you next time.